Every day, the rate that we consume data increases in volume, complexity, and speed. As systems evolve, transmission becomes faster and more complex. But as channel requirements evolve, there are major challenges that are critical to the performance of the system. Molex Backplane high-speed cable solutions can overcome those barriers and enable future architectures, especially at ultra-high data rates, such as 112 gigabits per second. With years of experience in high-speed channel design, Molex Backplane products have evolved into channel solutions via high-speed cable data transmission, which in some cases will be the only way to drive next-generation speed requirements. We create all our high-speed solutions with flexibility in mind, offering you a very extensive product portfolio and menu of customizable options, including backward compatibility and mechanical solutions, to perfectly align the present and the future. Regardless of where you are, the complexity of your challenge, or the scale of your projects, our interconnected global engineering groups and world-class production capabilities are ready to deliver exactly what you need. We maintain impeccable engineering standards in the production of every component. Full automation of our backplane cable assemblies allows us to scale faster, meeting time to market and the high production demands of a growing market. Molex high-speed components and cables are assembled with precision and stringently tested for quality, including high-performance testing on every differential pair. Zero-defect quality and electrical consistency are our highest priority. We offer manufacturers backplane solutions like the Impulse interconnect system that supports data rates of 56 gigabits per second NRZ or 112 gigabits per second PAM4 with superior signal integrity, making it ideal for high-density data center applications. Impel and Impulse connectors and cables are scalable to meet future data rate requirements and flexible to adapt to different architectures. With design, manufacturing, and world-class quality, our vision is to be years ahead of your next generation needs. And together, we can drive the digital capabilities of the world.